this is my dad, and welcome to the Flink feast.
Sweet. So we're gonna make some we're making waffles today. Sophie wanted to make waffles. So she's gonna make some waffles. She's got a bunch of ingredients here. Let's start from the left. Sophie, what do you got?
We got the thing where we make it. And
This is the waffle maker.
Waffle maker, milk, eggs, spray, and
Cooking oil. Vegetable oil.
And
Waffle
waffles mix. And cookie.
Chocolate chips.
Chocolate chips. Plate.
That's a mixing bowl.
And the mixing thing.
Yep.
And some measurements and things.
Hot pads, so you don't get, what are these for?
So you don't burn your hands.
That's right, so you don't burn your hands.
And some syrup.
Good. And then what are these things? We got powdered sugar, peanut butter, jelly. What are these for?
So you can pick what you want on your waffle.
Sweet. Awesome.
Bathroom and wash your hands so we don't get our food dirty.
That's right. Step one is wash our hands. Let's go wash our hands. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make the waffles. So we need, it says the first thing is milk, so grab a cup. The big one, the very big one.
This one?
The biggest one.
This one.
Okay, you need 1 cup. You hold the cup over that, just in case we spill, and I'll pour it in. You tell me when to stop. It's got to go all the way to the top.
Stop. Stop.
There you go, so pour that in. Alright, you got 1 cup of milk. Good job.
Okay. And we need how many eggs?
Now we need milk, egg. So we need 1 egg. You go ahead and grab 1 egg.
One egg.
Okay, good. You know how to crack it, right? Good job. Sweet. Great job. That was perfect. Did you get any shells in there?
No.
Nope. Perfect. Here, and let's go ahead. Get you something because your hands are all sticky, huh?
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, so we got the egg done. I'm gonna
And
put
now
this
we
away.
need some oil.
Yep, that's right. Now we need some oil.
Oil.
Yep, and we need, it says 3 tablespoons of oil. So I've got a tablespoon. You hold this, and I'll pour it on there for you.
And I'll tell you when to stop.
Yep.
Step
1.
Step 2. Step 3.
Perfect. Now,
Oh, wait.
we are at a crossroads here. Do you know what that means? Actually, there so it doesn't drip. So what did Daddy do with the milk, and what did he do with the eggs?
We mix it.
When we were done, what did we do with the eggs? What did I just do with all that stuff?
Put it in the fridge.
I put it away. It's called clean as you go. So we just finished with this, and we just finished with that. So what do you think we should do with them now? We're done with them. Where should they go?
This should go in the sink, and that should go in the cupboard.
Yep, and that goes in the sink too. Perfect. So let's clean them up. You put those where they go.
Done.
Perfect. Okay, now,
Let's see.
yep, and stir with the whisk.
Stir with the whisk.
Good. Sophie's breaking the egg first.
So it doesn't get all rich.
See, let's have it come in close. See what it looks like.
Kind of looks like.
Keep mixing. Go ahead. You're good. Yep. Gotta mix them all together. Help you out here. Good. Sweet. Now see how it looks like all one nice color. Now it's pretty much all mixed. Okay, next thing. We're gonna add this mix and stir until we get all the large lumps and everything out,
I
okay?
need to get all this stuff out.
Oh, you can just leave that there. We'll put it because we don't want to have it dirty. So we need 1.5 cups of this mix.
1.5?
Yep.
So like what one?
So how about this? You get the half, the one that says 1/2, and I'll clean off the one that was the regular one.
Come.
1 cup.
Now we're gonna put this into a 1/2 to.
Yep, 1.5 cups. All right, so I'll get the 1. I'll hand it over to you.
Okay.
You can give me the 1/2 and I'll hand it back.
Okay. Oh, that's a lot.
It is a lot. Looks yummy too.
Jump.
Good job. There's the 1. There's the 1/2. Ooh, come check this out. Look at what it looks like over here.
Look it. It's almost. It's huge.
Nice job. Okay, we're done with these guys now. What am I supposed to do with these?
Put them in the sink.
Cool, and we're not going to use those. So where do you think those should
So
go?
we put them in there.
Perfect. All right, start mixing.
Now mix.
Come look at it. Let's see what it looks like mixing.
Whoa.
Man, close. Ooh, yeah.
Look at the water. Now look at the milk. And
Yeah.
eggs. Now it's greasy.
We're supposed to mix it until when? You get all the junk's gone, right?
Chunksy.
Yep, you're doing great. Nice job. Let me give you a hint. Put that hand back there where you were. Pull it towards you and hold it on your tummy. That way it doesn't go anywhere. Good job.
Oh, it smells actually good.
It does, huh? What was the name of our channel again? Flink Feast?
Flink Feast, yeah.
What do you want to
And
tell
we're
them
gonna
all
put
your,
these
what do you want to
after
tell the
this.
people watching? What should they do?
If you want to make this, you have to get like the ingredients for this, and you have to buy one of these. And you can buy some syrup and buy these.
Yep, all the ingredients and stuff. Awesome.
Yeah, but if you don't want any toppings on, you can't buy them if you don't want any.
Good job.
But when we're after done with this, we're gonna buy chocolate.
Is it hard work?
No.
Ooh, good. I like that. You're good. Yep, that's what we have our apron on for, just in case you get
You don't
mixed.
have one.
Nope, that's because you're mixing. You got it.
You're the sous chef.
I'm the sous chef, and this is the chef, Chef Sophie. And sous chef Daddy.
And my mom's just videoing me. Us.
Ooh, yeah, let's do a cut to your mom. Yeah.
The chef and the boss. I'll go move faster.
Sweet. That looks pretty good.
Yeah, look at it. It's kind of a little different.
All right, so I'm going to do the chocolate chip.
chips.
Because you said you wanted a chocolate chip
Yeah.
waffles.
Yeah.
And you just tell me when to stop.
Okay.
Stop.
And now mix them around.
Sweet.
A little bit more.
A little more.
Okay.
All right, I think that's perfect. They look amazing.
Look at it.
All right, so now we moved our waffle maker over here. We got it plugged in. It's on and hot. Make sure you're not doing this by yourself. You don't want to get burned.
Yeah.
Make sure your parents helping you, huh? Okay, so we got 2 choices. We can have
Dark.
light, medium, or dark for how crispy the waffles are. What do you want?
I want like a light.
A light? Sweet. So we'll turn that to light. So what we'll do is we're going to open this up, and what do we got to do?
Spray.
Spray. Yep, we got to put spray. Why do we got to put spray?
Because so it doesn't stick.
Yep, we don't want it to stick on the pan and everything like that. So we'll spray that side. Oops. There we go.
And the back too.
Yep, and then the cool part is we can take this thing and we can turn it,
Yeah.
and then we can go ahead and open up and do another side. So that's pretty cool that we can do that. So we'll spray that side in a minute. I'm going to go back. Oh, and it's green means it's ready. So go ahead and bring over our waffle mix. Good. Let's show them what it looks like all mixed up though. So they
Look
can
it.
see.
I got put chocolate chips in it.
Sweet.
Then
So
we
yep, take
put-
out. Let's get a little bit more in there. Okay, I'm going to pour it on there for you though.
Okay.
And then I will let you grab the next.
Oh, the chocolate chips are gonna get melted,
They are.
and it's gonna be.
Okay, get another one ready. I'm going to shut this guy. Turn it.
Then we'll go spray
Let me
on that
spray.
side?
Yep, good. You remember the spray part.
Yeah. Go on a different side.
Okay. Awesome. Sweet.
Looks cool.
That looks
And
really
don't
cool.
do this at home without your parents.
Why is that?
Because it will burn your fingers.
I put in our own homemade syrup, so we gotta put that in the microwave to warm that back up.
And I got huge hands. we got some plates over here. Books. And then we're gonna get these ones out and then we're gonna make another one.
Okay, sweetie went green. Go grab a plate. Let's get a plate. Let's get ready. All right. Perfect timing. All right, let's open them. Come in close to see what this bad boy looks like.
Come on.
3, 2, 1.
Woohoo!
Oh,
That did it good.
that looks really good.
Do you like it?
I think they are gonna like it. I love it. Could you get that plate up higher for me, please? Perfect. All right. And we can turn. Let's see. Wait for that guy to beep. He's almost done. Look at that. That looks good.
Yeah.
Is that one yours? Or is that one gonna be mine?
That one's gonna be.
Or is it gonna be mom's? Oh yeah. Let's do a cut to mom again.
Ma, this is yours, Mom.
That one's done. Let's check this one out. Come on in. Let's see. Do you think it's gonna look as good?
Yes.
3, 2, 1. Cha-chan! Oh yeah, look at all those chocolate chips. That looks really good. Okay, come on close. Bring it up higher.
And that one's mine.
Nice.
That one's
Okay,
mine.
back up please. All right, so now we gotta turn this off. Unplug it. Let it cool down. All right, we're all done. Look at these waffles here. Okay, so here's this one. Whose is this one? Yours or mine?
Mine.
Yours. Ooh, that's a really good one. So then I'll take
Yeah.
this one. We ended up making 4 of them.
Yeah.
Mommy already stole a piece, so she ate one already. Okay, all right.
And I would like syrup.
Syrup?
And
Okay, I'm gonna get you some syrup here. I'll pour some on. You want on or to the side? On. Okay, you do yours on. So I'll start over here. Put some syrup on. I'll start with that. Then you can move those over. Daddy's gonna see what he's gonna do here. He's gonna do something interesting here. I'm gonna start with half of it with peanut butter. What's the good peanut butter too? Mom, what's the good peanut butter? Because I don't know the difference.
Skippy.
Skippy? Dad just gets any peanut butter and just peanut butter's peanut butter. But their mom's serious business on her peanut butter. She likes Skippy. Alright, so I got some Skippy peanut butter here. I'm gonna put that on one side.
And
Then what's this?
that. This is
Jelly.
jelly.
Or jams. We got this from. Where did we get this from? Which drew a blank.
Village Baker.
Oh, so we got this from Village Baker.
It's from Bear Lake.
Yeah, it's gourmet raspberry cranberry jam. Yummy.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna put that on the other half.
Yeah, and then are you gonna put that
Which one?
on the white stuff?
The whipped cream? Yeah, I'm gonna put some whipped cream on there. So let's go ahead and I'm not gonna use powdered sugar. That was just there in case 'cause that's what we've had before. So we're gonna put some whipped cream on there. Do you want some on yours too?
In my mouth, yes.
All right, so I'm gonna put that on half. I'm gonna put that on the half. All right, ready? I got you. Move your hands. Yeah, Sophie's got it down. All right, we got our waffles done. They're all toppinged up here. She's got her syrup and waffle with chocolate chips, and I've got my peanut butter and jelly and whipped cream. I'm gonna put some syrup on in a minute. What did you want to say to them?
Thanks for watching Flink Feast.
Yeah, make sure they do what?
And
What do they need to click?
subscribe to our channel.
That's right. All right, get a piece ready. Let's finish this out here. That works here. Let's cheers it. Say thanks for watching. Peace out.
Thanks for watching. Peace out.
All right. final part of our video is we got a PowerPoint. Show them the PowerPoint.
PowerPoint.
PowerPoint, that's a positive saying that Sophie gives at the end of each video. So go ahead, Soph.
A PowerPoint is that you don't be hard on yourself and you're smart and you're strong and you can believe in yourself.
That's perfect. So don't be so hard on yourself. We should always be happy. And you are smart.
And we
you are
have
strong.
loving people.
Yep. And you are smart and you're strong and you got this.
And we have loving people.
Okay. Peace out.